Hey Georgetown, my name is Jackson. I am a junior in the college studying government with a minor in econ, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my dorm and a little bit what it's like to live here on campus. Kennedy Hall is in a really great place on campus. It's super close to all the academic buildings and especially close to the dining hall, which is super nice for when you don't feel like walking too far to get some food. And so this is the Southwest Quad. Usually where this tent is, there's a volleyball court. And this is Hoya Snacksa. It's a market run in the bottom of the building, and right through here you can see all of campus. One of the nice features of living in Kennedy is that we have these smart lockers where you can pick up your packages. Super convenient. They just send you an email, you scan a QR code, and then a door will automatically open and you can get your stuff. All right, so now that you guys have seen a little bit around the quad and what Hoya Snacksa is like and where Kennedy is on campus, I'm gonna show you guys my room. So when you walk into my room, you'll see my roommate's side over here on the right and my bed against the back wall. The rooms are really big. This is my roommate's desk, his computer, and our TV. And you can see my side over here. I have my shoes, my laundry basket, and all of my clothes under my bed. And my personal favorite part about our room is the view that we get. We have a great view over Cooper Field, and you can see all of campus. Just last week, I was watching the Harvard football game from my desk. And speaking of my desk, this is my laptop and my iPad where I do all of my work, keep my books up top, and I have my IKEA bucket hat, of course, as well. The room is super spacious and there's tons of closet space. You can see my roommate's side right over here. We have our coffee machine, our Britas, and just a bunch of random things that we need for the day-to-day on the shelves here. This is my side over on the right. And I keep all my day-to-days on top. My clothes are in this drawer, even though it's not organized, unfortunately. And so this is my closet where I keep all my shirts, my jackets, my coats for once it gets winter. Anything that I really couldn't fit in the cabinets provided. And there's even more space up top that I keep my towels and all that other stuff in there. And once again, this amazing view. I hope you guys will get a view like this. It truly is so amazing to wake up every single morning and watch the teams practice. So going into the bathrooms, there are 2 for each gender, which you may identify as, on every floor. So when you walk in, you see 2 sinks. There are 2 bathroom stalls, as well as 2 showers. And these are super close to your room because there are multiple on each floor, and they're always pretty open. All right, so now to give you guys a look inside the laundry room. There's one laundry room for Kennedy, Reynolds, and McCarthy Hall in the Southwest Quad. And to select a washer or dryer, you just tap on this screen like so, and then scan your phone, and it'll take the money out of your student account to pay for laundry. All right, guys, so on every single floor, there is a common room. Right here, we have the dining table, some trash bins, and there is a full kitchen where you can cook, make any of your food that you want. And on the other side over here, my friend Maria is sitting here. There is a common area where a lot of people from the floor will come and hang out, a TV, and this is where a lot of people get work done, like Maria here is studying. There's a lot of floor events every single week. This morning, my roommate brought Call Your Mother bagels in, and we all sat around and talked about healthy relationship dynamics. And it's a really good way to meet people on your floor and make friends. So I love the lounges, and I know you guys will. All right, guys, so it is actually the next day right now, and that is going to be all for this dorm tour video. I really hope you enjoyed getting a feel for what it's like to live here on campus at Georgetown. I got to show you guys the facilities here in Kennedy Hall, the laundry room and the smart package lockers, which are great, as well as Hoya Snacksa, the market downstairs, which I happen to frequent all the time. It's super convenient, and our great location on campus, as well as the view from my room. It's been really fun showing you guys around and what dorm life is like here on the hilltop. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you soon.